Hey everyone! Today I'm excited to share some of my favorite photos I took in Tokyo with the Sony 35mm F1.8 lens. I know some people think 35mm is a bit of an awkward focal length, but I want to show you why I love it for street photography. Plus, I'll share a few tips along the way. Before we dive into the photos, here's a quick tip for creating cool stop-motion-like effect. Normally, for a regular video, your shutter speed should be about double your frame rate, so around 1/50. But for this clip, I lowered the shutter speed to create a freeze frame-like discontinuity effect. It's perfect for capturing the hustle and bustle of Shibuya Street. You can even try it for still images, like here. I used 1/6 of a second, and this is what it looks like. All the movement is blurred out, leaving only the fixed action captured in the moment. Almost like freezing time in the chaos. Tokyo streets are full of neon lights, colorful store signs, and traditional red lanterns. All of these are perfect for street photography. 35mm is on the wider side, so composition becomes even more crucial because you cannot simply blur out the background like when you use a longer focal length. When shooting with a 35mm lens, I would recommend setting a faster shutter speed, maybe faster than 1/200, and just hold the camera on your hand all the way when you're walking on the street, and snap a pic anytime you see a potential good composition. My suggestion is, do not overthink, and do not stop for too long to adjust the angle. This way you can get closer to people and take their candid shot without being noticed. A great way to emphasize your subject is by framing them within a storefront. This technique is effective, especially when you have a striking colorful sign or a distinguished door or window shape. With a wide focal length, avoid overcrowding the frame with distractions. Stick to colors that complement each other. For example, I love using the complementary orange and blue from these lanterns to frame my subject. And of course, I'm using the fishing technique, waiting patiently for the right person to enter the frame. For night street photography, you can also take advantage of the contrast of light and shadow. This is one of my favorite shots from this trip. Two ladies are standing in front of these vending machines. I love how the light from the machine spreading onto their faces, and since this is the subject of this image, I edited to darken the shadow area, creating large negative space. If you're still unsure about using a 35mm lens, I hope this video gives you a clear idea of how versatile and creative it can be for street photography. If you have any questions or want to share your own experience, feel free to leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. I'll be making more videos to share highlights from my Tokyo trip, so stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.